Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever dreamed of creating the city of your dreams without spending hours on design? Imagine transforming your ideas into vibrant, lifelike cityscapes with just a few clicks. Today, we'll uncover the magic behind the ICity Addon, a powerful tool that will revolutionize the way you design cities in 3D. Stick around because this could change the way you see city building forever. Ever wanted to create a bustling metropolis or serene town effortlessly? What if I told you you can do it in seconds with precision and ease? Intrigued? Let's dive into how ICity will unleash your creativity. ICity Addon is your ultimate city building companion. With its procedural generation and vast asset library, you can create detailed cityscapes in no time. From high-rise skyscrapers to quaint parks, every city component is at your fingertips. Plus, with its dynamic system, every build becomes a unique masterpiece. Not to mention, its integration with tools like GLB/USD export makes sharing your creations super simple. Imagine the possibilities. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of city creation with ICity Addon and let your imagination run wild. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. See you in the next video.